How to deposit funds on demo account. Are you guys facing issues to deposit funds on demo account in PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To deposit fund on your demo account, first of all, open PrimeXBT on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the top of your screen where you can see this option 0 USD or your account balance. Tap on it. After you click on it, you'll be able to see this option for deposit. Tap on deposit. After you click on deposit, tap on set demo balance and write down the amount according to preference. For example, if you want to add $5,000 to make it realistic, tap on set balance. So as you guys can see, the balance has been added on our demo account. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.